Hi friends, I'm Anand Panchbhai at Engineers Classes, and let us start with the next topic today. Friends, we have understood all the three equations of uniformly accelerated motion. The first equation was v is equal to v0 plus at. Second equation was x is equal to v0 t plus 1 half at square. And the last equation that we have got was v square minus v0 square is equal to 2ax. Yes or no? Fine, okay, where v0, I mean, all the nomenclatures are having their own names. That is what we know very well. Now, we want to understand motion during free fall. Motion during free fall. Now, what is free fall? Fine. This is free fall. Fine, पता चला अगर इसको उठा के अपने यहाँ से नीचे फेंक दे, fine, तो it is free fall. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? ओके, सो व्हाट हैपेंस ड्यूरिंग फ्री फॉल? फ्री फॉल के दरमियान क्या होता है? फाइन, सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट फ्री फॉल, it is like we have some object which is not having any initial velocity. Free fall, what do you mean by free fall? फ्री फॉल का मीनिंग ऐसा है, बस किसी को ऐसे छोड़ दिया, इट्स फ्री फॉल. It is what we call as free fall. So we can say if the object is having some mass m, we can say it is having a free fall over here. Fine. So during free fall, what will happen? During free fall, why? See, if I'm leaving something, it is coming downward. It is going downwards. Why? What is the reason behind it? We all know we have gravity. We have something called as gravity. हमको पता है कि gravity उसकी खींच लेता है. Fine. So g is the acceleration that we have, which is exerted on this particular object, and it is moving in downward direction. Fine, okay. So now when it is moving in this downward direction, I want to see the moment it is going to reach the ground. Don't touch that bench. Fine. The moment it is touching this ground, what is the velocity? Of that object? So we can say that when it is a free fall, guys, what is the initial velocity? Zero. What is the initial velocity? It is 0. So we can say that when it is free fall, initial velocity is equal to 0. Fine. So I'll put that this value in that equation. So we can say that final velocity v, or velocity at any given time t, which is equal to 0 plus, अच्छा, उसका acceleration कितना? What is the value of acceleration? So acceleration a का जो value है, it is going in downward direction. Fine, okay, fine. Generally किसी चीज को मैं एक्सेलरेट करता हूं, ऊपर भेजता हूं, तो दैट इज व्हाट आई कॉल एज पॉजिटिव. जो नीचे जाता है, आई विल कॉल इट एज नेगेटिव. तो एक्सेलरेशन का वैल्यू है कितना? g जितना, बट एज इट इज गोइंग इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, we call it as negative. So I'll be having minus g over here into t. पता चला कि नहीं पता चला? So the value of final velocity, which is equal to minus gt, when I talk about a free fall. पता चला कि नहीं पता चला? ये क्लियर हुआ? फाइन, ओके. You are supposed to ask the question if you're coming on time. Otherwise it is not allowed. चलो. So v is equal to minus gt we have got. Second thing, I want to see during free fall, I want to find out what is the total distance that it will be traveling. Fine. So I can say that distance traveled. Fine. अच्छा, ऊपर से वो नीचे आ रहा है. सो टेक्निकली अगर इसको मैं 0 बोल दूं, तो वो नीचे आ रहा है, मतलब वो नेगेटिव हो गया खुद. पता चला कि नहीं पता चला? सो वी हैव गॉट माइनस एक्स, क्योंकि वो नेगेटिव जा रहा है. सर एक्स तो जनरली ऐसा होता है ना, तो वी कैन ऑल्सो कॉल इट एज माइनस वाई. फाइन, बिकॉज दिस बिकम्स आवर वाई एक्सिस. पता चल रहा है कि नहीं चल रहा है? सो माइनस वाई, विच इज इक्वल टू इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 0 प्लस हाफ ए बिकम्स माइनस जी इंटू टी स्क्वायर. सो माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू माइनस हाफ जी टी स्क्वायर. माइनस माइनस विल बिकम पॉजिटिव. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? सो वी गॉट अनदर इक्वेशन. दिस इज फॉर फ्री फॉल. पहला इक्वेशन फ्री फॉल का हो गया, दूसरा इक्वेशन फ्री फॉल का हो गया. अभी लेट्स डील विद थर्ड इक्वेशन. v square minus v0 square is equal to 2ax. Fine. So I can say that v square, final velocity, initial velocity 0, which is equal to 2. This is minus g. X itself is also negative in that case. X itself is also negative. So we can say that it is minus x. अगर वो नीचे जा रहा है तो. अगर वो नीचे जा रहा है तो. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? सो वी हैव गॉट फ्री फॉल के लिए v स्क्वायर विच इज इक्वल टू 2gx. Clear हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? Where x is basically our y. Do you understand that x is basically our y? Clear? Done. So we got all three equations for free fall. Done. कोई doubt इसके अंदर? Great. लिखो.